Okay, really short video here. First off, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Eve after all. Just installed my own Christmas present I kind of bought for myself. High beam headlights that are amber colored. I am totally prepared for mixed reviews on this. I think they kind of look cool. I can see how people would say no. And I'm not 100% sold on the idea yet, but I do like it so far. That's about all for now. We taking it in, dropping it off, get a wheel alignment done here in a couple days. And I'm just about done for the winter.